Introduction to Air Conditioning Systems. 4 major components of a cooling system. In this section, we detail the structure and related characteristics of the 4 components. The first is the compressor. The core of the refrigeration cycle. A compressor is the power device that enables a refrigerant to circulate in the cooling system for outdoor heat exchanging purposes. Common compressors include scroll compressor, screw compressor, and centrifugal compressor. Among them, Huawei's air-cooled precision air conditioner and some comfort air conditioners use an advanced DC frequency converting scroll compressor. Centrifugal compressors are used in large chilled water units. According to their condenser cooling medium, cooling systems can be categorized as water-cooled or air-cooled. A condenser condenses a saturated or superheated steam discharged by a compressor into a liquid. After passing a throttle, liquid refrigerant enters an evaporator, absorbs heat, and vaporizes. This realizes refrigeration and reduces the temperature of the computer room. This picture is an evaporator. A fin heat exchanger with high cooling efficiency is used and is one of the most important components of the cooling system. Huawei's V-type evaporator, based on computational fluid dynamics and field synergy theory, achieves evaporator heat transfer efficiency as high as 95%. Throttling devices have 2 functions: throttling depressurization and automatically adjusting the capacity of the refrigerant that enters the evaporator based on change in the heat load of the medium to be cooled. There are 3 types of throttling: thermal expansion valve, electronic expansion valve, and capillary tube. Thermal expansion valve is physical structure. The electronic expansion valve is mainly used in inverter air conditioning systems in accordance with a preset program to adjust the evaporator for the fluid volume. This adapts to the development of refrigeration electromechanical integration and has excellent characteristics of unmatched thermal expansion valve. The electronic expansion valve adjustment range is wider, ranging from 10% to 100%. But thermal expansion valve range is just 20% to 80%. The thermal expansion valve superheat level is set at 5 degrees Celsius or 6 degrees Celsius. Electronic expansion valve can be manually adjusted. Electronic expansion valve is more sensitive, but more expensive. In this section, we introduce how conditioners refrigerate, specifically how the refrigeration cycle achieves refrigeration, and the thermal state of the refrigerant in different parts. Then, we introduce the 4 major components of the air conditioner, as well as the common types and characteristics of the 4 major components. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.